The world's first decentralized stock exchange. Well, today I'm super excited to talk about this next project called Swisscheese. But before we do that, make sure to do your research, figure out this project is for you. So again, before we jump into the video, apologies for the different angle, doing some rearranging like I mentioned in my previous videos. But I did want to spend some time out today to talk about this project, and then we're going to talk a lot about this. There's a lot of things that I want to mention ongoing right now. Most importantly, how you guys can be involved with this project. There is obviously time. Their public sale is going on live right now, so we'll talk a little bit about that, when that's going to end, what you need to do, things like that. Obviously, we'll talk a lot about the specifics of this project, what makes it stand apart, what I think about it, the community, all that stuff for sure. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. But definitely join their socials and see and get answers directly from them on what makes their project special. But tons to talk about today, so let's go Swisscheese. So here on our website at swisscheese.finance. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check this out for yourself. But I did want to mention their public sale is live now, and it's going on to July 1st. You guys have lots of time to figure out if you guys want to be a part of this project. I'll try to cover as much as I can today. I'll leave some of the materials for you guys to check out for yourself. So let's go. So world's first decentralized stock exchange. They're developing radically futuristic, user-friendly, multi-chain stock and crypto products on top of robust DEX called Swisscheese. They do have a native token with a lot of utility, SWCT. And of course, we'll talk about their ICO, and we'll talk about that. Let me open this up, so we'll definitely check it out. But I kind of wanted to cover as much as I can today about this. So it's developing a set of product services designed to simplify the way you trade stocks, shares, and bonds using a single Swisscheese finance account. So I think this is really cool, how just having a one place to do all these things. If you're like me, you have to go to like so many different websites, so many different places, manage a bunch of logins. I have a ton of people asking me literally every day what platforms actually they should be using. And it's definitely hard, especially if you're new, to try to figure out and navigate what is the best. But it's great that this has everything literally all in one place, that you can do stocks, crypto, bonds, and shares, and invest in any global currency as you wish. Yeah, just the different currency obviously complicates things as well. So trade everything on our blockchain platform. Swisscheese, decentralized stock exchange built on top of Polygon blockchain. Obviously, you guys know I'm a huge fan of Polygon. So apologies that it's a little condensed. It's just the way I have my screen. Anyone can access the platform from anywhere. Obviously, it's secured. They want to make sure that any transactions are as secure as possible. Obviously, if this is something that you're investing and putting your money in, you want to make sure that it's taken care of. And dynamic, flexible and dynamic, decides on what features you want to use in the future. So they have all this stuff for you guys to utilize, and on top of that, they have the native token, which is really like powering this whole entire ecosystem, which is cool. What does it do? So token swapping, rewards disbursement, and other crucial aspects of change are done using the token. So it's really at the forefront of everything that goes on within all these different things. So if you are thinking about what is the utility of it, obviously that's the utility of it. You want to make sure that when people see value in the platform and they're using it, that Swisscheese, the SWCT, is being utilized. It's ERC20 token, huge growth potential. So the idea is obviously the more people transacting on the platform, more people hear about the platform, obviously that's just going to increase the overall price. And it's great that you're hearing about this early on. You're getting into this like the ICO phase, and if you guys are not familiar, that's usually most likely majority of the time it's the lowest it's ever going to be. And again, that's where you're going to make the most profit. So definitely an interesting opportunity. Obviously, with crypto coming back, obviously Ethereum, Bitcoin, things like that are making comeback. A lot of exciting announcements in general. I do think that it's a great kind of time to look for new projects, new platforms that people are looking into. And again, this is one that I wanted to talk about with you guys today that I thought was super interesting. Access a stack of products on a single account. I think also people are just looking for ease of use and platform. I don't know of any other platform out there that lets you do all these in one place. Our products are super simple to use and work seamlessly. I always say that's super important because if it's not easy to use, people are not going to want to use it for long run and log in and do all this stuff. Now you'd earn, invest, and transact via a single platform. And then these are the different things. Trade goal, financials, swap cryptos, any shares and stocks. That's cool. You could swap your cryptos with any shares on our platform in a matter of seconds. Invest in specially created mixed portfolios and stay updated. This is a token sale if you guys want to learn more about it, kind of the how this is allocated. And let's just jump into right there because I'm going to keep talking about it. Here is the different rounds. So they have private sale round 1, pre-sale round 2. They have their crowd sale. So that's the one that we're currently in right now. And then you can see how the token price has changed, but I still think it's comparing where it was when it was at the private sale round, which was one of the smaller rounds. This is still definitely potential. Again, do your own research. Not for you. I'm just letting you know that it's only 0.33 when the first private sale round was 0.1. So you guys are still getting in at a good time. And then tells you how to take part. Visit our section, connect your wallet, load Matic, enter the amount you want to buy, and then confirm your transaction. So definitely interesting. A lot of things going on with this platform. And again, it's great to learn about this project early on. So if you guys want to learn more about the advantages, you guys definitely can. Definitely take a look at all this and kind of figure out what really stands out for you. So again, if you want to check out the roadmap, again, they've kind of gone through the private sale and then the pre-sale, but there's still a lot of exciting stuff coming up. Obviously, MVP launch, that's a minimum viable product. The idea is that getting in really early on before the product launch with anything, I think is definitely interesting. So definitely check it out if you guys want to learn what it's about. If you want to learn who's behind it, you guys can. We'll kind of jump into some of these right now as much as possible. So here we are on their Twitter. They definitely try to keep you guys engaged. They're constantly doing giveaways and giving you guys reasons to invest. They did have some information obviously about launching its DEX on the 15th of June. So that's definitely exciting. If you guys want to learn about the team behind this, you guys definitely can. They have a parent company, SM4X organization. So you guys want to learn about that. It's great that they're backed by such a strong organization and company, kind of putting their time and effort and skill into this. They have a developer team that's has worked with a lot of projects in the past, and they can kind of go into the details about who the team is. They show who they are, they tell who they are, but I'll leave it up to you guys to explore that on your own. Like I said, it's always great to see projects out there that aren't afraid to talk about what they've done in the past and what they plan to do in the future. So definitely check it out if you guys are interested. Obviously, the biggest thing going on right now is the crowd sale, but I think they build up the community pretty well, so that hitting these numbers in terms of investment, and obviously they had a successful private sale, successful public pre-sale, so it definitely bodes well for everything going on with this project. So if you guys are interested, definitely check it out. I'll put the link in the description. I'll probably do another video on this sometime in the near future. Maybe I'll do some time showing off the platform, etc. when it gets closer, show some updates that's going on with the project. But I just wanted to jump in today to let you guys know what the project is about, let you guys know you can participate with the crowd sale. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. But like I said, join the Telegram. I'll put the link in the description if we can hear directly about what they're doing and why everyone is excited about Swisscheese. Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you guys quickly how to actually connect your wallet and participate in the crowd sale. Like I mentioned before, they complete the private sale, they complete the pre-sale. The crowd sale is going on right now, and it's super simple to participate. All you have to do is connect your wallet at the top right, click on MetaMask. You'll be prompted to type in your super secret password to MetaMask. Make sure that you switch your network over to Polygon, Matic. You'll probably be in Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum. And if you guys haven't done that already, you guys can add the network through the Chrome extension. That's what I'm doing right now. Crowd sale. One thing I did want to point out, remember the price is 0.33. Matic right now, if you compare that to, I'm just looking at Matic in general, Obviously, I'm a huge fan of Polygon. I was just kind of looking at some information that I had before, like what did they start at. This website, ICO Marks, kind of shows what the ICO started at, what was the price. It was 0.0026 USD, and now what the price is now, 0.17. That would have been a profit of almost 7x. So again, Polygon Matic is still a very great network. A lot of the projects that have been working with them and are on that chain have been super successful, even of everything is going on in the market right now, which because they're down, 7x profit is still awesome. So if you guys want to learn more about that, check that ICO Marks link. I'll put the link in the description if you guys want to kind of learn about Matic in general and how that kind of compares to Swisscheese, which I think feels like it has a lot of room for growth, considering it's at 0.33. So again, on Matic right now. So I would say as Matic grows, I think a lot of these projects that have aligned themselves with Matic are well positioned as well. So again, all you have to do is make sure that your wallet is connected, MetaMask, make sure that you are on their Polygon, and then figure out how much you want to contribute. The max contribute is 50,000 Matic. And again, I think that there is a lot of interesting things going on with this project.